How to add a note on Facebook Messenger. You've probably seen your friends posting notes on the Messenger app. I'll show you how to add your own note. First, open the Messenger app. There are two ways to add a note on Messenger. The first, slightly longer method is to click on the three lines in the top left corner. Then, open the Settings button here. Below your profile picture, you will see Leave a Note. Clicking on it allows you to add a note. However, there is an easier and quicker way. Let's go back to where the chats are. Above the chats, there is a Your Note button. Clicking on it also allows you to add a note. In the text box, enter your thought, message, or anything else. Along with words, you can also add some emojis. The only limitation is the number of characters. It must not contain more than 60 characters. After that, you can set who will be able to see your note. Click on the Change Audience button. There, you have three options: Friends and Connections, Just Friends, and the third option is Custom, which means you choose who will see the note. I will leave my note visible to my friends. Go back by clicking the arrow in the top left corner. Finally, share the note by clicking Share. And this is how it looks in the end. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial. For more content, check out other videos on the channel and subscribe to the channel.